Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how you can change buy it now color on your Shopify store. Now this is very easy and quick, but the first thing you need to do, guys, you want to copy the code that I am going to add in the description. So you want to go to the description and you want to copy that code. Okay, and then the next thing you want to do, guys, you want to go to your Shopify store. Okay, you want to log into your Shopify store, and then you want to click on online store in the left. After that, guys, you want to click on these three little dots so that we can add some code here, and then you want to click on edit code. All right, now in the top left you want to search for base.css. okay, this is the file that we want to add some code to. It's called base.css. Now you want to scroll down. After you click on that file, you want to scroll down at the very bottom. Okay, the very bottom, you want to paste that code here, and then you want to click save in the top right, and that's it. Now the color will be changed. Let me check. Yeah, it's changed. As you can see, the color is changed. Now let's say that you want to change it to a specific color. You just want to go to Google and search, for example, for, let's say that I want to add the green color. I'm going to click green code color, and this is the green code color. You want to go back to the file, and this is, as you can see, it says here color. You want to change it to green. I want to change this code. As you get this code, change it to the new one. Okay, and then you want to click save. You can play with it as you want. As you can see, this one background color, you can add any color you want there. Just search on Google for the colors. You can see it's green now. Now you can change it as you want, guys. Okay, hopefully this video helped you. If it does, leave a like, subscribe, let me know in the comments if this works. See you guys in the next video. Please drop a like and leave a comment. That would be highly appreciated. See you guys. Watch the video in the screen. See you guys next video.